Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Printful order status alerts, full guide step by step clearly. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate and select the settings option. In the settings menu, find the notifications section. Click on notifications to access alert settings. You will see options for different types of alerts. Look for the order status updates option. Enable order status alerts by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, you need to specify the method of receiving alerts. Choose your preferred method, such as email, SMS, or push notifications. If you select email, enter your email address in the designated field. For SMS alerts, provide your mobile number in the required format. Once you have entered your contact information, review your selections. After confirming your choices, scroll down to find the Save button. Click Save to finalize your subscription to order status alerts. Your Printful account is now set up to notify you about order status changes. You can revisit the settings at any time to modify your preferences. Check your email or phone to ensure that alerts are functioning correctly. That's it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.